I'm real excited to be here talking to you about the Louisiana GAC because we've got some great things lined up for you, such as Rick Metzger, who is the newest NCUA board member, and Lauren Scott, an economist who's going to speak about Louisiana economics with a little bit of governmental affairs thrown in.
I think we're excited about the GAC every year. It's exciting to be down there. It's exciting to be around the Capitol where they make our bills, where they make our laws. Lawmakers have to hear from us. They have to hear from their constituents. They have to hear from industries and businesses. And it's important to be down there. It's important to talk about your issues. But it's also important to have them see you as a group.
The purpose of this conference, first and foremost, is to make sure that our presence is known. With that in mind, we have blended together interesting topics while staying true to the nature of the conference.
Some of the issues that we're facing, major issue that we always face is our taxation. We have to stay in front of that. We have to let lawmakers know that we are different. We're a different financial type of industry. Other issues that we face are the data breach that many people have heard about with Visa cards and debit cards. So we have to watch those laws and how they affect those products.
One of the great things that we have planned for after hours is a seafood extravaganza at the barracks, which are really close to the Capitol. Well, you'll have a bit of more of an opportunity to speak to your legislators.
Lots of new changes, lots of exciting information, lots of things that you, as a credit union person, your credit union staff, you credit union professionals and board members can bring to this conference. So I certainly hope to see you there.
What happens next? Well, you register. Go to www.lcul.com and click on the registration link. See you there.